For the introduction, the Internet of Things will transform the healthcare industry and improve humanity health and well-being. Patients must visit a clinic or hospital for medical checkup under the traditional healthcare system, which is consuming and inefficient. The Internet of Things can be used to create a real-time health monitoring system that uses sensors to measure a patient's heart rate and visualize the data in real time. Using open source service such as GSM module, which relies the connection between devices, allows actions such as sending an alert message when pulse rate above than 100 and below 60. Problem statement. In their daily life, the community will struggle to keep track of their heartbeat rate. The community will be concerned that their cardiac rate is abnormal, but they will not be able to check it right away. If members of the community need to check their heartbeat rate, they must travel to a nearby clinic or hospital. The objective is to create a system that allows users to monitor and measure their pulse rate while also solving their problems. The following is a major goal of this project: to make it easier for users to check their health condition without going to the hospital, to implement the pulse rate monitoring system, to construct low-cost devices which measure the heart rate. Scope: to monitor patient from having a heart attack, to keep the patient pulse rate in a normal state, to make it easier for the patient caregiver to know the patient's condition wherever they are. This is the block diagram of this project, and this is the flow chart. If you can see in this slide, this is prototype development. Result and analysis. When patients put their finger or their wrist, automatically the pulse rate will shown on the Arduino IDE. If the BPM is above 100 or below 60, the GSM module will send a notification to the patient's caregiver. Result and analysis. This project to test about detect pulse rate in BPM, send notification if patient's pulse rate high or low. For this project, it have error because the supply voltage GSM module was linked to this 9-volt power supply during the wiring. My project did not send an SMS notification to the phone. For the soft connection, the 5-volt Arduino pin to the supply voltage for the GSM module. This is the safety of this project. While you're exercising, muscles need more oxygen so they can keep up with their energy demands. They can get that oxygen if your heart either pumps more blood or pumps more often, which is why your heart rate jumps as you work out. Before you start, your heart beat just a little bit faster than its resting rate, the minimum speed needed to keep cells humming along while you sleep, which is roughly 60 to 100 beats per minute. Then, as you work harder and harder, the part of your nervous system that works unconsciously tells your heart to pump faster, anticipating the needs of your body. For most people, their sleeping heart rate will fall to the lower end of the normal resting heart rate range of 60 to 100 BPM. In deep sleep, the heart rate may fall below 60 BPM, especially in the people who have very low heart rates while awake. After waking, a person's heart rate will begin increasing towards their usual resting heart rate.